Documentary about the brutal gang rape and murder of a young woman in India's capital has put the crime back into the headlines. The documentary tells the story of the 2012 attack on a bus in New Delhi, which includes remarks about the victim by one of the men sentenced to death in the crime. Indian officials say the film would cause huge public outrage following a court ruling to restrict airing or publishing the documentary. Google removed it from video sharing site YouTube inside India. Why is rape front and center in India right now? One thing to consider is the number of reported rape cases and crimes against women is rising. The latest data release covers the period from 2009 to 2013 and shows an over 50% increase in reported crimes against women. Rape reports have also gone up, with more than 30,000 recorded in 2013, also an over 50% increase from 2009. Activists attribute the rise to a new willingness in India to openly discuss rape and harassment, subjects previously considered taboo. The brutality of the India bus case put the issue back into the international spotlight, but there have been other high-profile crimes against women since then. In January, 6 men were arrested in connection with the alleged rape of a Japanese tourist in the eastern city of Kolkata. Last December, a woman in New Delhi was allegedly raped by a driver who worked for ride-hailing service Uber. The driver, charged with rape and assault, has denied wrongdoing. And earlier, an Indian court convicted and sentenced 3 men to death for the rape of a photojournalist inside an abandoned textile mill in the city of Mumbai. Recent rape cases like these have angered the public, who have sometimes tried to take matters into their own hands. Just this month, a suspected rapist was beaten to death by a lynch mob who had stormed a prison in the state of Nagaland. The Indian government has tried to address the issue by overhauling the laws governing sexual assault. A new law instituted the death penalty as maximum punishment for rape, as well as widening the definition of assaults to include offenses such as stalking and voyeurism. But is it enough? Last year's figures have yet to be released, but advocacy groups say more can be done, like recognizing rape inside a marriage, which activists say is a common crime.